Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to solve systems of equation by graphing. We are going to learn it here, the easy way. We are going to learn today how to write and solve a system of equation by graphing. And we're going to determine if the system has no solution, one solution, or an infinite number of solutions. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Solve the system y is equal to minus 5x minus 2 and y is equal to 3x plus 3 by graphing. Let us draw a coordinate plane first. Let us work on the first equation, which is y is equal to x minus 2. We know that minus 2 is the y-intercept. When x is 0, y is negative 2. We're going to plot the blue dot on negative 2. I want you to take note that the y-intercept is always plotted on the y-axis when x is 0. Since the slope is not written, it is understood that it is equivalent to 1. Accordingly, the slope is change in y all over change in x. We're going to designate it as 1 all over 1. The change in x is 1. Accordingly, from the y-intercept, which is negative 2, we're going to move to the right. We're going to move one place to the right. The change in y is positive 1. Accordingly, we are going to move one step upward. Accordingly, we have 2 points. When x is 0, y is negative 2. And when x is 1, y is negative 1. We're going to connect these 2 points with a line. Consequently, this is the line y is equal to x minus 2. Let us work on the second equation, which is y is equal to 4x plus 1. The y-intercept is 1. Accordingly, we're going to plot the dot, which is colored green, on 1. When x is 0, y is 1. Afterwards, we're going to plot the slope, which is 4 over 1. Starting from the y-intercept, which is 1, when x is 0, we're going to move 1 right and 4 up. Subsequently, we're going to connect the 2 points of the second equation, which is y is equal to 4x plus 1. When x is 0, y is 1. And when x is 1, y is 5. Upon connecting the 2 points of the second equation, which is the green line, you can see that there is an intersection between the green line and the blue line, which is negative 1 and negative 3. Accordingly, this is the solution of the system y is equal to x minus 2 and y is equal to 4x plus 1. The solution is negative 1 and negative 3. Let us check if our solution is correct. Let us substitute the solution in the first equation, y is equal to x minus 2. And it will give us minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2, which will give us the same number. Accordingly, the solution minus 1 and minus 3 is correct on the first equation, y is equal to x minus 2. Let us work on the second equation. Y is equal to 4x plus 1. Let us substitute the solution on the equation. It will give us minus 3 is equal to 4 times negative 1 plus 1. Simplifying the equation, it will give us minus 3 is equal to minus 4 plus 1. And we can come up with the same answer. Accordingly, our solution is correct. Let us work on another example so that you can understand the lesson well. Solve the system y is equal to minus 2x plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 4 by graphing. Let us draw the coordinate plane so that we can start graphing the two equations. Working on the first equation, y is equal to minus 2x plus 1, we're going to plot the y-intercept, which is 1, the red dot. When x is 0, y is 1. The change in x is 1, so from the y-intercept, we're going to move 1 to the right. However, the change in y is negative 2. Accordingly, we're going to move 2 steps down. If the change in y is positive, we're going to move up. But in this case, it is negative, so we're going to move down. As a result, we're going to connect the 2 points with a line, and this is the line of the equation y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Let us work on the second equation, which is y is equal to x plus 4. The y-intercept is 4. Consequently, you can see the blue dot on the y-axis. When x is 0, y is 4. The change in x is 1, so we are going to move 1 right. And the change in y is also 1. It is positive, so we are going to move 1 up. Connecting the 2 points with a line, you can see that there is an intersection between the blue line and the red line. And this is the solution of the system y is equal to minus 2x plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 4, which is negative 1 and 3. Let us check if our solution is correct. Let us work on the first equation. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Substituting the values of the solution in the equation, it will give us 3 is equal to minus 2 times negative 1 plus 1, which will give us 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. Accordingly, it will give us the same number 3. Therefore, our solution in the first equation is correct. Let us move to the second equation, which is y is equal to x plus 4. Substituting the solution in the equation, it will give us 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 4, which will give us the same number 3. Therefore, the system y is equal to minus 2x plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 4 has the solution set of negative 1 and 3. Let us work on another example so that I can hit it off. Solve the system of the equation by graphing y is equal to 3x minus 3 and y is equal to 3x plus 1. Let us draw the coordinate plane so that we can start graphing the equations. Graphing the first equation, y is equal to 3x minus 3. The y-intercept is negative 3. Then, the slope is 3 over 1. 1 right, 3 up. Connecting the 2 points, it will give us the line of the equation y is equal to 3x minus 3. Let us work on the second equation, y is equal to 3x plus 1. The y-intercept is 1. And the slope is 3 over 1. 1 right, 3 up. Connecting the 2 points of the second equation, it will give us the green line. You can see that the graph appears to be parallel. Accordingly, the equation of the two lines did not intersect with each other. This means that there is no solution for this system of equation. If two lines are parallel and they did not intersect with each other, there is no solution. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Solve the system of equation by graphing. Y is equal to 4x plus 3 and y minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 2. The second equation is written in point-slope form. Let us convert it first to the slope-intercept form. So, let's work on it. Y minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 2. To eliminate the 5 on the left side, we're going to add 5 on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel out the 5 on the left side. As a result, it will give us y is equal to 4x plus 3. We have two equations that are the same. They are identical. Let us graph the equation. The y-intercept is 3. When x is 0, y is 3. And the slope is 4, which is the same as 4 over 1. Accordingly, it is 1 right, 4 up. Let us connect the 2 points with a line. The line is both the same for the system of equation y is equal to 4x plus 3 and y minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 2. It is clear that both equations are the same line in the graph. Accordingly, any ordered pair on the line in the graph will satisfy both equations. Therefore, there are an infinite number of solutions of the system. To wrap it up in graphing system of equation, if the two lines intersect, there is one solution. If the two lines of the equations are parallel, there is no solution. Furthermore, if the two equations lies on the same line, there is an infinite number of solutions. Process. I will never stop reminding you guys what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy, okay? Till next math lesson, bye-bye!